What is that? So minus JAD minus JA. So minus CAV. V is the marker velocity and minus JAD. What is that? What is minus JAD? The intrinsic flux is given by intrinsic coefficient multiplied by del C del X. Okay. Similarly, you can write for component B. So this is for component A. Similarly, we can write for del CB del T equal to del X of DBC del C del X minus CBV. Now note that del C del T is your del T of CA plus B. C is CA plus CB. C is CA plus CB. If your total number of atoms per unit volume remains constant, CA plus CB is not changing, so it should be equal to 0. So if I add these two, so right hand side will be del X of del X of DSC del CA del X plus DBC del CB del X minus of B multiplied by CA plus CB. It should be equal to 0. I'm just adding those. Del CA del T plus del CB del T I'm adding up. The right hand side summation should be equal to 0. That means till this part anyone has any question?
So the LHS is the upper one.
Yes.
So it should be plain C, not CA.
LHS.
This intrinsic, it should have been here CA because these are intrinsic flux, no? Flux of atom A, and this is should be flux of atom B.
Equal to 0 B CA plus CB.
So if you take this integral, like this should be a constant value within bracket. This is a constant value. Then only the if you take derivative with respect to x, it will give 0. But you can think of the bound. Now to find out the constant, you use the boundary condition that at x equal to plus minus infinity, which is like effectively it is the end of the diffusion couple, is not affected. Okay, that where the slope of del CA del X is 0, del CB del X equal to 0. And the velocity of marker is also 0 at the end at x equal to infinity. For x equal to infinity or minus infinity, all these terms are 0. So for all x, this is a constant. For x equal to plus minus infinity, this is 0. That means for all x, this within bracket term is 0.
Negative is constant.
What?
Constant.
Constant. Yes.
C.
Now to find out the constant, I said that you use the boundary condition that the end of the diffusion couple is not being affected by the diffusion, which gives your slope del CA del x, del CB del x, and the marker velocity at x equal to plus minus infinity equal to 0. So that means the constant value is 0. So within bracket term is equal to 0. So when we get that within bracket term equal to 0,
Sir?
you are actually getting the expression for marker velocity.
So can I repeat this one? Why constant is 0?
This is constant. Now to find out this constant, you take the boundary condition that at x equal to plus minus infinity, nothing is being affected by the diffusion. So composition composition is flat. Compositions, whatever it was in the homogeneous alloy or metal that you coupled, those are not changing with x. So this is 0, this is 0. There is no thing called marker velocity at that.
Okay. V is
So
0.
all these are 0 terms. So the constant becomes 0. So this becomes 0. Then you can rearrange to find out an expression for marker velocity. So the expression for marker velocity, and also note that Ca plus Cb is constant. That will give you Ca plus Cb equal to constant. That's what we said. That means your del Ca del x is equal to minus del Cb del x.
Sir?
So these two things will give you expression of V in terms of the slope of the composition profile and the intrinsic diffusion coefficients. Can you tell me the expression? Yes, who were asking?
Sir, here should be constant on 0 because if we are taking a differential, if we are taking the integration, then it should be a constant value.
Correct. That's what I said. Constant. The constant value is 0.
And the constant value is 0.
Yes.
How to determine this without?
Again, I am repeating. The assumption is the end of the diffusion couples are not being affected by the diffusion. Whatever you coupled, you made the coupled with, one is two metals or two homogeneous alloys, the end is not being affected by the diffusion. That means composition is not changing with x. That means these two slopes are 0 and there is no concept of marker velocity there. The lattice plane is not being moved at x equal to infinity. So at x equal to plus minus infinity, this whole bracketed term is 0. But for all x, this bracketed term is a constant value. So that constant then is 0. So that's why I said that the bracketed term is equal to 0. And then you can take, if you divide, so you take V multiplied by Ca plus Cb in one side and divide the both sides by Ca plus Cb. So if you divide by Ca over Ca plus Cb, what it will be? Ca plus Cb? It is nothing but your XA. Similarly, Ca plus Cb will be XB. So it will become del XA and this will become del XB equal to V. Will you get this type of expression? And note that del Ca del X or del XA del X is nothing but equal to minus del XB del X. So you put it that you will get the expression for V as V equal to
DSC minus DVC
DSE minus DVC
divided by CA plus C
multiplied by del N A del X. Del X A del X. Yes or no?
Plus constant.
कहाँ से constant है? Where from you are getting that constant?
Is equal to constant, there is continuous term.
DSC minus DVC
Where did you do wrong?
This equation is equal to constant.
Are you able to see here? Because I cannot see coupled.
Yeah.
V equal to this equation is right or not?
Yeah.
Fine.
No. The V plus constant should come.
constant is 0
There was no constant. Constant equal to 0. So we had minus V multiplied by CA plus CV equal to constant with constant equal to 0. That's why we could take V minus V CA plus CV in the other side. So constant is equal to 0. Then we divided by CA plus CV to get to this equation. So this is the marker velocity with respect to intrinsic diffusion coefficient and your del X and del C. So if you put this in the expression of the overall equation of interdiffusion coefficient or chemical diffusion coefficient, which is del C and del T equal to del X of total flux, which was the diffusive flux or the intrinsic flux, PSC del CA del X minus CA multiplied by the marker velocity. In this, you put the expression for marker velocity here. So this JA is nothing. So that JA is this one. Now I am asking you to put the expression for V, what we got there, to put it here and tell me the expression. So tell me how you can relate d tilde with the other variables. Can you do it on your notebook, please? You have the expression for marker velocity, you put it here. So we have then d tilde del C and del X so this minus and this minus will be positive, so d tilde del C and del X should be equal to this, should be equal to DSC del C and del X minus CA. What is the expression for V? Del N A del X del X A del X multiplied by DSC minus DVC.
into CA.
CA I have multiplied already. So and if you plus NB XA plus XB equal to 1. So I can write it here XA plus XB. Then XA dA dCx.
This del x we can take as del C or del x by CA plus CB. The CA by CA plus CB will get into
CA over CA plus CB
and then
equal
that's
to,
XA. Instead of having del x or del x, we can have del C or del x.
you do it and tell me the d tilde expression. You do it on your notebook, tell me the d tilde expression. So here I can take CA over CA plus CB. So we can write instead of this, and we can take CA plus CB here because that is a constant. So that means it will be XA.
DSC into 1 minus XA minus XA into
So we can take something multiplied by del CA del X. What is that something?
XB into DSC plus XA into
XB,
DSC
DSC
and XA DBC.
plus X A DBC. So that means that T tilde interdiffusion coefficient becoming XA DBC plus XB DSC. So this equation and this equation, see, marker velocity is something which you can experimentally measure. D tilde is something which you can experimentally measure, that we have discussed using Boltzmann-Martano method. XAXB is nothing but your composition. Unknowns are intrinsic diffusion coefficient. You have two intrinsic diffusion coefficient for A and B. So from these two equations you can get expression, you can get the intrinsic diffusion coefficient. So these two equations are called Darken's equations.
कंपेयर क्यों ना मानन टू दोनों में इससे ये वाला
So D tilde, now what is DVC and DAC? They are nothing but MKT multiplied by the thermodynamic factor. And what is MKT? It's nothing but the tracer diffusion coefficient of the corresponding composition of the alloy. So can we write that instead of this, can we write this is multiplied by the thermodynamic factor, which is 1 plus del ln gamma over del ln x. For any component, that's the thermodynamic factor is same. Understood? So here, one thing that dA, dV, which are tracer diffusion coefficient, which are measurable. Your XA, XB are composition. Thermodynamic factor is measurable from thermodynamics. All these are measurable. You can find out. So this D tilde relate to D tilde, which is the chemical diffusion coefficient. I said at the beginning is a function, complex function of the tracer diffusion coefficient the composition and the thermodynamic factor. Okay.